Hello, so here again for Brain Break, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to play this game. So when you click the link, this will pop up. See, there are many options. I would like you to try the match the rhythm option. So you're going to click on, ooh, it's loud. Okay, so when you click on it, it says tap to listen. So you're going to choose an instrument. I'm going to choose the drum. Yeah, it plays the rhythm for you, right? If you can hear it, you will hear that it's pretty loud. So now it first shows you how the sound sounds, the rhythm of the sound, and then it asks you to be the ones to hit the drum at the right time. So let me show you. The dot's coming up, so I gotta hit it, hit it, hit it. See, I missed. I didn't press it at the right time. I didn't catch the rhythm. So if you don't catch the rhythm, you can just press try again, and then you can go again. See, I gotta be ready. Click, bam, bam. Oh, I missed it. But hopefully you guys are doing better than me, right? Enjoy the game. Bye.